Hey, I'm here back at the shrine. I was here back, June? Anyways, we're doing another show today, and we're going to take a look at some cars. I'm a little bit dirty. There was a car that went over a curb when he was backing in and hit one of those signs back there. Got caught up underneath the car, so I had to crawl underneath there and help him get it out. But doesn't look like the oil pan or anything was damaged. His prize is a little bit hurt. There's a little bit of body damage on the car, but nothing that can't get fixed. Anyways, let's take a look at some cars. This is the car that had a little bit of an accident. I'll show the damage in a second here. It's 35 Chevy. we gotta say hi to Ed. Hey Cheryl, how's it going?
Doing all right, Pat?
Yeah, how about you, bud? All right, so I'm editing this video and I realized I showed Ed on the video, but I didn't say who he was on the video. Anyways, he has a YouTube channel as well called Car Spotting and a Facebook page. So what I'll go ahead and do, I'll go ahead and put his links to his pages in the description of this video so you guys can also check him out. All right, thanks. Chevy that backed over that post. Well, he's got another problem. His carburetor's leaking, and he's too scared to drive home. I wouldn't want to drive home with the carburetor leaking. Anyways, so just gonna go ahead and try to get it fixed. Look, we got a guy here that's been rebuilding Holly carbs for over 30 years, or 40 years, something like that. Anyways, let's see what's happening.
He owns some body shops that
Yeah.
sold. He said it's probably interesting. Said they're building a lot of 64.
YouTube video.
Let's see. Can't hurt. That thing's got 390 in it.
You know, I was just thinking to myself back in the days.
Normally they would say yes. In this case, we're going to extreme measure terms.
Ain't gonna work.
Drive it home, boss.
She good.
Oh boy.
Hero of the day, right there.
But I do have a brand new 750 rebuilt.
He's got a brand new one at home, he was just saying.
Oh well, now's the time.